In moments of anxiety and turmoil, God offers us his peace that surpasses all understanding. He invites us to cast all our cares on him, for he cares for us deeply. The promise is that his peace will guard our hearts and minds in Christ Jesus, bringing calm and assurance amidst the chaos. Even when the world seems to be falling apart, we can rest in the knowledge that God's peace is available to us, calming our fears and soothing our troubled souls. His peace is not dependent on our circumstances, but flows from his unchanging love and faithfulness. By turning to him in prayer and seeking his presence, we invite his tranquility into our lives, finding stability and hope in the midst of uncertainty. In every moment of distress, God's peace envelops us like a comforting embrace, reminding us that he remains in control and that his promises hold firm regardless of the storm around us.